Have you ever felt that coloring your hair takes more effort than it should? Every month, my grey hair starts showing up, and I used to go through the same frustrating process. Open multiple sachets, mix the dye and developer, find a bowl, find a brush, apply carefully, and somehow still end up with stains on my hands and bathroom sink. Honestly, I thought that's just how hair coloring works. But then I found something that completely changed the process. This is the rise for men hair and beard color. And what makes it different is that there is no mixing, no bowl, and almost no mess. But there's one thing about this applicator that genuinely surprised me, and I will show you that in a minute. First, let's unbox it. I came across this product while scrolling through social media. The concept looked interesting because I had never seen a hair color system designed like this before. So I ordered it from Amazon for around 700-800 rupees and decided to give it a try. Inside the box, we get the main bottle, an applicator brush, and a pair of gloves. The packaging itself looks quite premium, and the product highlights a gel-based formula infused with aloe vera. It also claims a quick 10-minute application and no ammonia, no mess experience. Now let's look at the bottle, because this is where things get interesting. The bottle contains both the color and the developer inside the same system. Together you get 200 ml of product. At the top there's a dual port nozzle hidden under a protective cap. When you press the bottle, the dye and developer are supposed to dispense together through these two separate channels. And then we have this applicator brush. This is honestly the feature that caught my attention. On one side you have wide comb teeth that works great for longer hair. On the front you have shorter bristles that allow more precision application around the sides, temples, beard area and shorter hair sections. At first glance it looks simple, but once you start using it you realize why it's so effective. Now let's test it. When I initially pressed the bottle, only the developer came out. For a moment I thought something was wrong. But after covering the nozzle with my thumb and pumping a few times, both liquids started flowing correctly. You can clearly see the black dye and white developer dispensing together. Once that happened, application became incredibly easy. I simply dispensed the product onto the brush and started combing through my hair. For the top section, I used the wider comb teeth. For the sides and shorter areas, I switched to the smaller bristles. And this is where I noticed the biggest advantage. Unlike a traditional brush, the comb naturally guides the product all the way down to the roots. You can actually feel where the product is going. There is no guessing whether you have covered an area properly. The application feels much faster, more controlled and surprisingly clean. I didn't need a mixing bowl. I didn't need to manually mix chemicals. I didn't need multiple tools lying around the sink. And most importantly, I didn't end up with accidental stains all over my hands and skin. The entire process was done in just a few minutes. Then I waited for 10 minutes, washed my hair, and here's the result. The grey hair coverage is excellent. The color looks natural black. Most importantly, the roots are covered evenly, which is usually the hardest part to achieve with traditional hair dyes. So what's the verdict? If you're someone who colors your hair regularly and hates the mixing process, this product makes the experience significantly easier. The built-in dual-nozzle system and applicator brush genuinely simplify the entire process. Who should buy it? People with recurring grey hair who want a faster and cleaner coloring experience. Who should skip it? If you color your hair only once or twice a year, you may not fully appreciate the convenience factor. For me, the convenience alone makes it worth considering. I genuinely think this is one of the most practical innovations I have seen in hair coloring products. The product link is available in the description if you'd like to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.